Imagine ordering food through an app. You tap pay, and your money disappears, but the order doesn't. That is exactly why software testing exists. Software testing is the process of checking whether software works the way it is supposed to. But here's the important part. Testing is not just about finding bugs. It's about reducing risk before real users find those bugs for you. Think of software like a bridge. You wouldn't let thousands of cars cross it without stress testing it first. Testing software works the same way, except the crashes are digital and expensive. When testing is skipped, banking apps double charge customers. Online stores sell products that don't exist. Airlines ground flights because systems fail. These aren't rare mistakes. They happen because assumptions were never tested. Software testers check. Does the app behave correctly? What happens when users do something unexpected? What breaks under pressure? Some testing is manual. Some is automated. Good teams use both. Testing doesn't slow development. It prevents disasters. The cost of fixing a bug before release is small. The cost after release can be millions. That's what software testing is. Risk control for the digital world. In the next video, we'll explain manual versus automated testing and when each one actually makes sense.